How to make your marriage work. In the 21st century, where a lot of marriages are visiting the court for divorce, I am here to share with you secrets how to make your marriage work. You would like to follow me so that you don't miss this video. You like to put your comments below. You can ask a question about this video so that you can get clarification on how to go about your marriage. You like to share this video, click the share button so that you can share it with your friends, at least 5 of them, to get knowledge about their marriage. Let's move on. How do you make your marriage work in this 21st century? There are a lot of ways that you can use to make your marriage work. With this in mind, we would like to have a series of this video. So the first thing we would like to tackle or talk about is communication. There are 3 ingredients to help you make your marriage work when it comes to the field of communication. Without communication, your marriage will suffer suffocation. You like to communicate, express yourself in ways that will help you thrive in your marriage. The first ingredient in communication that we would like to talk about is that be quick to listen, slow to speak, and slow to anger. The Bible encourages married couples to be slow to anger, slow to speak, and quick to listen. What is the clue here? Anytime you are slow to speak, slow to anger, and quick to listen, it helps you to understand your partner well. And anytime you do that, it helps you to think before you talk. That is the clear secret. And anytime you think before you talk, it helps you to communicate well. The next ingredient in communication is to correct in love. Maybe your partner is missing it in a line. Maybe there are some weaknesses that you have identified in your partner. You would like to take your time to correct him or her in love, knowing that in the same way you are not perfect. So seeing your partner's imperfection, you like to correct your partner in love. This will help you to do it in such a way that your husband or your wife will understand that you rather love him or her because of the way you are taking it. So anytime you like to communicate, you like to correct, you like to talk, whether verbally or non-verbally, do it in love. Because the same way you are giving it to your partner, one day will be given to you. And will you like that way of correction? So please correct in love. And the third ingredient that you like to look at during communication in your marriage to help it make your marriage work is make sure you avoid assumption. Avoid it. Never thrive in assumption. Never assume that your partner is doing something which you actually don't understand. You rather have to ask clear questions, probing questions that will lead you to understand your partner well. If you do that, it will go a long way to help you. Because at times, what you think about your partner, what you assume is never the truth. What you actually assume about your partner may not be the truth. So whenever assumptions are piling up in you, make sure you ask in clarity. Make sure you ask clear questions, probing questions that will help you to understand your partner well. This is the first session or series of how to make your marriage work. I know it will be a blessing. Please make sure you click the follow button. Put your questions or your comments below. Please be healthy in your comment. Then share this video with 5 of your friends. Click the share button. Share with 5 of your friends or 10 of them to be a blessing so that they don't collapse in their marriage. Remember that you are blessed. See you in the next video. Thank you.